too often is the management belief that they have the ability to solve that challenge. And I promise you, each of us has the ability to be successful at that scale. I appreciate this time more than you know, and have found this to be a wonderful experience, and deeply appreciate my first visit to India to be with you. Thank you.
Sharing your knowledge and enlightening us to the importance of technology and business management. I'm more than confident that the gathering is enriched by your valuable thoughts. Now, I request our conference chair, Mr. Naveen Naran, to present the Thank you, sir.
Present on the dais, Mr. Guy C. Fraker, keynote speaker. Chief guest, Mr. Vipin Maheshwari. Unfortunately, he has to go because it's election time in the state. Dr. S.M. M.S. Iqbal, and Mr. Abrar Khan. First of all, I would like to thank God Almighty, who has given us the strength, my ma, and because of whom we stand here in front of you and we're able to organize this conference. I would like to propose my vote of thanks to IGP Indore Police, Mr. Vipin Maheshwari. He has gracefully spared some of his valuable time out of his busy schedule because it's election time and it's really difficult for the IG to get out of his office. So actually to get out of the field, to be very precise with you. So उन्होंने अपना time spare किया. I'm really thankful to him. Further, I'm thankful to Mr. Guy C. Fraker, who has traveled 41 hours straight to get to this place and has very kindly shared his views on the what if that we need to think on what if this happens. क्योंकि अगर हमने imagine करना बंद कर दिया, if we stop imagining, that is the day we stop living. And because we imagine, we innovate, and we innovate, we make our lives better. अगर आप देखें तो इनोवेशन से ही हमारी लाइफ के स्टैंडर्ड इंप्रूव हो रहे हैं, हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स का सोल्यूशन निकल रहा है, and the most successful businesses are the ones which are giving simple solutions to the complex problems. And this is what we learned from the keynote speaker today. I am thankful to Dr. S.M. Iqbal, who has made all the arrangements. Mr. Abrar Khan, who has stood by the side of all the organizing team, assisting them, and giving his gracious words of guidance. My vote of thanks would be hollow and incomplete without expressing my gratitude to the members of Vishesh family, especially the faculty members, the organizing committee, right to the fourth level staff who have been on their toes to organize this conference and make sure कि आपका यहाँ का जो tour है वो successful हो. And I'm thankful to all of you who come from all corners of the country and all corners of the globe to participate. And I hope this college and this conference is a knowledge-sharing experience for all of you and is mutually beneficial experience. And I wish you all the best for your technical sessions, for your paper presentations, and I hope you enjoy your stay and love our hospitality. Thank you so much.
I request the delegates to make a note that technical section first will cover track 1, business ecosystem, track 2, innovation and entrepreneurship, and track 4, e-development, which will be held in classroom number 101 at 12:15 p.m. Technical session second, covering track marketing and branding, will be held in classroom number 301 at 12:15 p.m. Technical session third, covering theme emerging issues in financial and capital management and people strategy, will be held in classroom number 101 from 3 p.m. onwards. Technical session 4, covering value-based education system and inclusive and sustainable growth, will be held in classroom number 302 at 12:15 p.m. Now, I request everybody to please stand up for the national anthem. गुजरात मराठा नागपुर उत्कल बंगा the Swagatam team on the ground floor.
When you start to expect
Now I request Professor Vikta Soni to give a floral welcome to eminent session co-chair Balasubramaniam, Associate Professor in Department of Economics, Autonomous College, Chennai. He is an MPhil, PhD and possesses vast educational experience of 26 years. He has been supervisor for the PhD research scholar as well. For more than 12 scholars have been awarded PhD in different disciplines under his excellent supervision. Apart from this, 40 MPhil students have worked under his supervision. Dr. Balasubramaniam has written more than 50 articles which are published in reputed journals of national and international circulation. Dr. Balasubramaniam has been awarded Best Paper Award for 8 times. I, on behalf of entire family of Persist, would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart for being with us and blessing the occasion with your aura of nobility and wisdom. I am feeling immense honor and joy.
Introduce session co-chair Dr. Jitendra Kumar Mishra, Dean, Jaipuria Institute of Management, Indore. A doctorate in economics from Devi Ahilya University, Indore, has more than 14 years of experience in teaching, training, research, in business schools in North and Central India, such as Birla Institute of Management Technology, Greater Noida, JP Business School, Noida, Prestige Institute of Management and Research, and Jaipuria Institute of Management, Indore. He has published books and monographs on contemporary issues related to globalization. He has also published his research work in international and across the country. He has delivered keynote addresses on various seminars organized by national bodies such as HRD Network, Indore Chapter, and I.
We need to come over there. The number in person doesn't match the same, but still it's very encouraging that in a session on intellectual discussion on contemporary issue, or you say a paradigm shift, we have got such a huge participation. It's really encouraging for anybody and everybody being in academics. If I'm not wrong, it is on marketing and branding. Is it so? True, sir. Right. If you look at marketing and branding, it has come a long way. The changes in the overall business environment has really caused a paradigm shift in every activity that you do to promote your product, to take your product from factory to the actual customer. And here, as the shift has been taken, we jump back into the history. They are not the same product if manufactured the same way, they are not packaged same way. If packaged same way, they are not delivered same way. So if you talk of the distribution channels, you must not have thought even 10 years before the kind of distribution channels that the marketers have to deal with. They have to learn to deal with. They don't have any choice. Same way, if you look at in any part of this planet, that's the good thing that you can once you are enlightened by the discussion of all of you. I wish you all a great learning. Thank you.
Your thoughts amongst us. I would like to call upon our session chair, Dr. R. Balasubramaniam sir, for presenting paper.
Very much present here. Feel it greatly honored for your august presence here. Respected delegates, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. More on the supermarket or the mall store or the departmental stores or the Bada provision stores?
It is actually the general technical session as far as the second international conference is concerned. Here actually what I would like to express is that we have more trade into the gender education and also the self-help groups, even including NGOs, all the things actually contributing to a lot for the national development. All are participating. Women, even educational development issues, and also the self-help groups, NGOs, all are participating in the national development as far as the national development is concerned.